Hi, good morning, everybody. Let's just do this quickly. I want to talk you through your English activity for today. You're required to fill in a story map, and I'm thinking like a lot of you need to be reminded about your story structure. So the story for today is The Lazy Giant. Having done with your story, then you get a hold of this paper where you're filling all the details that have been highlighted. See, over here you have characters of a story. We want to see characters of a story outline all here. The setting of your story needs to be here. The problem in the story needs to be here. And the solution needs to be over here. Now, don't start worrying about not being able to write. And I don't want you to go bothering mom or dad to write for you or try to fill this shit up for you, which is why I'm here this morning to tell you what to do. Now, the characters of a story are the people or the things in a story. We've done this so many times. Remember, at the beginning of the school year, we had done a story called The Little Red Riding Hood. These characters were that beautiful girl who was always dressed in red, her grandmother, the wolf, and all of that. So in every story, the people or the things that makes up the story are your characters. So when you go to do The Lazy Giant today, think about all the people in that story and write them out here as your story characters. Now, if you don't know how to spell the words, don't worry as well. Just draw the pictures and write the beginning sound. If there was a giant in that story, maybe all you need to do is draw a giant and write the beginning sound for giant right next to where you have drawn your giant. At the bottom here, it says the setting. The setting of a story is where the story happened. Was it at home? Was it at school? Was it in the woods? Was it on the farm? Was it in a mall? The setting is the place where the story had been written about or where the story happened. So read your story again, The Lazy Giant. Where did all of this event happen or took place? That's what you expected to write down here, or if you wish, draw and color beautifully. The box number 3 says the problem. I'm sure you all know that. That means what was the thing that was bothering them in the story? What was the issue, or what was the thing that needed to be fixed? A problem is something that needs to be fixed. So what was the issue? What was the thing that needed to be fixed? It's the same as a problem. If you cannot write the words, you can as well draw and make it colorful and put it in your story structure under the column problem. Then finally in the last box we have the solution. The solution is, how did they fix the problem? What did they do to make sure that this thing that needed to be fixed had been fixed? That's all we're asking you to do. Go to your map, write the character, everybody in the story, or everything in the story, where the story happened is the setting, what needed to be fixed, and how it was fixed. I hope it helps. I'm waiting to have your work uploaded later, wherever you've been asked to do so. Happy learning.